Introducing the Zoyride website booking plugin, a complete ride booking solution that can be seamlessly integrated into any website, whether for local rentals, airport transfers, outstation trips, self-drive, or bus bookings. Users can begin by selecting the ride type. The plugin supports local rental, outstation, transfer, self-drive, and bus bookings. The user enters the pickup city and selects the exact pickup location from the available options. Next, the pickup date and time are selected using the built-in calendar and time selector. For rental bookings, users can choose their preferred package, for example, 4 hours with 40 kilometers included. After entering all details, the user clicks Search to view available vehicles. The system displays available vehicles along with complete details such as car name, seating capacity included kilometers AC or non-AC vehicle types, and the total fare. Users can also apply filters to refine the results based on their preferences. After selecting a vehicle, the user can review the complete fare breakdown. This includes base fare, inclusions, exclusions, taxes if applicable, and the final payable amount. The booking and cancellation policy is also clearly displayed, ensuring full transparency before confirmation. To complete the booking, the user enters passenger details including name and phone number. If required, additional passengers can also be added. Before proceeding, the user confirms the booking by ticking the Terms and Conditions checkbox. The system clearly displays the total fare along with a detailed fare breakup for complete transparency. Once the booking is completed successfully, a unique booking ID is generated instantly. The customer receives confirmation details for the scheduled ride. After the booking is confirmed, the user can go to their profile and select the booking section. Under upcoming trips, the booked rental trip will be visible with all trip details. From here, the user can click Download Ticket to download the booking ticket for reference. If the user wants to cancel the trip, they can click the Cancel Booking button and confirm the cancellation. This completes the full rental booking flow in the Zoyride booking plugin, from selecting the rental package and entering pickup details to booking confirmation, ticket download, and cancellation management. Thank you for watching.